Sabi ni Jesus, you are the salt of the earth, and you are the light of the earth. Well, of course, alam naman natin kung saan palagi ginagamit yung asin sa pagkain, and it adds flavor sa mga pagkain kinakain natin. It would balance and everything, kaya nagiging masarap yung pagkain. My brothers and sisters in Christ, as we celebrate this Holy Eucharist, it reminds us that each and every one, our presence is like the soul, well balanced. That is why yung pagdiriwang natin ng banal na Eucharistia ay nagiging mas kabuluhan, mas naging solemn, mas naging masarap dahil sa presensya ng bawat isa.